2 bags! Hey, 3 beer minimum, and today I'm going to show you a delicious recipe. If you want to learn how to make some delicious chicken strips, buffalo chicken strips, I want to show you how to make them with Pringles Scorching Extreme Buffalo chips, a little bit of a Texas Pete wing sauce, and some panko breadcrumbs. That's all you're going to need. And you're going to have some delicious chicken fingers, chicken strips, whatever. Get yourself some blue cheese. Make sure it's 6 months out of date like mine. Facts right there. 7 months out of date. Cheese is best aged. All right, let's get into how we're going to make this recipe. So the first thing we're going to do, take some of these breadcrumbs here. I'm going to sprinkle a little in a bowl. Just a little bit. I lied to you. Whenever you save some of these Parmesan cheese packets, put a little Parmesan cheese in here too. And then go ahead and get yourself a handful, like 5 or 6 chips, and just crush them up. Go ahead and put them in there. Get that stirred up. Now, take a little bit of the Texas Pete wing sauce, put it in there just enough to cover it. We're trying to make a paste. Go ahead and, that's it. Make it look like that. Now, get a couple nice, fresh, chicken tenders here. And once you got like 4 or 5, maybe 6 in here, we will close this up and shake it. Shake your hell out of it. Shake it like your kid just did something wrong and you're trying to teach him a lesson. No, don't do that. Shake it like Johnny Gobble's neck. Got them there? All right, let's go ahead and drop them in the air fryer. All right, go ahead and take them. Just go ahead and put them in your air fryer. Drop them in there nice and straight. You can tell I've already cooked a batch of these. All right, slap them in with the air fry at 360 degrees for 9 minutes. Start. That's it. Okay, with that, there they are. They are going to be delicious. All right, there we go. Take one of them bad boys and try. Oh, that's good. Take one of them little blue cheese here. Take a bite. That's good. That's ballin'. 3 beer minimum. I'm out.